Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And if you want to feel dizzy, you can go for roller coaster ride in Singapore, Universal Studio, or you can go to Abu Dhabi, Ferrari Park. I think both these places have been there. And if you have got no time to go there, simply keep watching Nifty and Bank Nifty on certain event days. And today is one such event day. Bank Nifty opened, fell 700 points from yesterday's closing, then from there it shot up 1000 points, all in 15 minutes. And not to be happy, and then after that it fell more than 1200 points to break the day's low. And again there was a recovery. It was hugely volatile. And 1000-point move, it was happening just like that in Bank Nifty. In the morning, I said very clearly, you better keep away from the markets if you are an amateur. And these kind of markets are very, very difficult to trade. And maybe thought of buying option. The option premiums are so high. When the volatility shoots up, option premiums shoots up like anything. Look, the lowest strike price for this weekly expiry is 16,100. That 16,100 put option went to 18 rupees in the morning, and finally it closed around 3.5 or 4 rupees, but it went up to 18 rupees. The Bank Nifty 36,500 put option, it went up to 90 rupees. One of my friends sold it for 72 rupees. It went to 90 rupees, but then it came below 25 rupees. So the premiums are really very, very high. And ADANI stocks, I think all the ADANI stocks fell except two stocks. Why? Those two stocks are trading in futures and options. So the only two ADANI stocks, ADANI Enterprise and ADANI Port, and which are trading in futures and options, they were doing okay, but the rest all hit down circuit. And ADANI Enterprise, reason the FPO, and ADANI Port, anyway among all the ADANI group stocks, ADANI Port is the one trading in the least valuation. So better valuation. So that is not being punished so heavily, but anyway that was already punished on Friday. So Nifty broke yesterday's low, which I did not expect, and not only that, it tested almost 17,400. As I told you, the 50% Fibonacci retracement, that is somewhere around 17,050. So I think now the support is somewhere there only. And of course, there is no point in talking about open interest and the technical things until some of these uncertainties are over. So the first thing is that ADANI FPO uncertainty must be over. It is still not over. So ADANI says FPO will be on, price band will not be revised, and it is trading and closed way below the FPO price. So if it is trading around 8%, 10% below the FPO price, who is going to apply for FPO? And as of today evening, only 3% of the shares have been subscribed. They have to collect minimum 90%, so otherwise they may have to refund the money to investors. So it shows that there's only two options available in front of them. Either they have to extend the deadline or they have to revise the price band. I think by tomorrow morning we should be able to get some idea, but sometimes if they revise the price downward, the market may fall even further. So we don't know. So let us wait for tomorrow and see what is going to happen. So by tomorrow evening, I don't think that the issue can get subscribed if they don't revise the price downward, and so the choices are very little. So in 1982, some Calcutta-based brokers targeted Reliance Industries. They shorted Reliance Industries. But Dhirubhai Ambani managed it very well, and all those short sellers lost heavily in Reliance Industries. But now things are not going in Adani's way as of now. But we don't know what they have planned. We still have another 24 hours for the issue to get subscribed. So there is no point in talking about open interest, as I told you, and things are, uncertainties are lingering around. And to add fuel to the fire, the US markets, the Dow future, S&P 500 future, Nasdaq future all falling, and FIIs as expected. As we know, they're like, within few seconds, market is falling 600, 700 point in Bank Nifty, 100 point in Nifty. We know that these FIIs keep selling. So today they have sold for about 6,800 crores. I think this is the highest sell figure in the last 2-3 months. So India is being singled out for punishment by FIIs, and so we have to wait and see what is going to happen. And who knows, last time when FIIs were so much against Indian stock market, Nirmala Sitharaman has announced corporate tax cut. So it was given a crude shock to those bears. So let us see if there is any shock therapy for the short sellers in the budget. And we still have 2 more days left. So to Adani issue, maybe I may come out with another video. There's not enough time to talk now. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.